Staring at charts that only tell you what already happened? That's the trap keeping some traders from being profitable. To win, you need to see what's happening right now in the market's engine room. Jigsaw Trading, Bookmap, and TradingView all claim to give you that vision. But after months of thorough live testing, only one platform's data consistently put me ahead of the move. The others had strengths, but this gap in real-time market data is what separates profits from missed opportunities. Let's break down the hype versus the reality to find the best day trading software. Alright, let's get into it. When you're looking for the best day trading software, you're not just buying charts, you're choosing a lens to see the market through. And Jigsaw Trading, Bookmap, and TradingView are built for three very different ways of seeing. Let's start with Jigsaw Trading. This isn't just charting software, it's a professional order flow platform for serious intraday futures traders. It's built for someone who trades based on what is actually happening in the order book right now, not just where the price has been. The magic is in its depth of market and reconstructed tape tools. It shows you the real-time buying and selling pressure, the hidden liquidity, and how large traders are positioning themselves. If your priority is making decisions based on live auction behavior and order flow, Jigsaw Trading is engineered for you. But don't just take my word for it, right? The feedback from other traders using this software really tells the full story. So I was digging through some user experiences, and I found one from a seasoned trader that hit the nail on the head. He said that he'd been trading futures for over 20 years and had seen all of the get-rich-quick methods, and he said that discovering Jigsaw and its depth of market tools was a relief for him. He taught himself to trade entirely from the DOM with no charts, never looked back, and he 100% recommends it. So I think this matches what I've experienced, although I haven't had that many years in trading. For pure order flow clarity, Jigsaw is in a league of its own. Now, Bookmap is a different beast. It's built for the visual analyst. Its strength is translating complex order book data into an intuitive, color-coded heat map. You can see where large orders are sitting and watch price react to those liquidity pools in real time. If your main goal is to see supply and demand zones light up visually and you trade futures or crypto, Bookmap has its place. I saw this echoed very well in a user review. One trader said Bookmap improved his trading so much, especially for learning order flow. He praised how it shows where liquidity is located and how strongly it's absorbed, saying anyone who uses it won't want to trade without it. So that's exactly what it offers, a powerful visual window into market structure. Then there's TradingView. This platform is for the broadest audience, from beginners to pros across stocks, forex, and crypto. Its strength is flexibility and community. You get incredible charting, thousands of indicators, and a social platform for sharing ideas. If you want one tool to analyze any market, develop strategies with PineScript, and connect with other traders, TradingView caters to that. A user review I found captures this really well, calling TradingView's charting software easily the most user-friendly in the business, and praising its watch lists, their linking features across charts, and the mobile app, and a bunch of other areas. Alright, so now that we know who these day trading software are for, let's look at what you're actually getting when you sign up. I tested every major tool, and the split here is massive, between deep order flow tools, visual heat maps, and all-in-one charting. If you believe the best and most reliable day trading software must show you the why behind the price moves, I think Jigsaw Trading is the real powerhouse here. The standout tool is the depth and sales DOM. This isn't just a list of prices, it's a dynamic map of the live order book. You see orders stacking, pulling, and executing as they happen. It takes practice to really get it, but you can get it over time. It lets you make decisions based on the actual market action, not lagging indicators. Then there's the Reconstructed Tape. This tool is brilliant because it lets you track both small and large traders separately. You can see if big money is buying or selling into moves, giving you context most retail traders completely miss. A feature I use constantly is the Cumulative Delta. Now, Jigsaw themselves say this isn't a simple buy-sell signal, it's about painting a picture. When price and delta diverge, it tells you something important is happening under the surface. It's one more piece of high-value data in their system. This level of market depth is what I mean by getting that professional edge. I even found a user review calling Jigsaw's DOM the best offered on the market and a must-have tool for order flow traders. So that's the real-world result you want from your day trading software. Alright, now let's look at Bookmap's features. So its crown jewel is the order book heat map. You get a clear, color gradient view of where liquidity builds and how price interacts with it. It's fantastic for spotting key support and resistance zones as they form. They also have enterprise-level solutions like the Bookmap Quant API for automated strategies, which is great for algo traders or firms. Where Bookmap is really strong is in its intuitive visual representation of market depth, but it's more about showing you where the walls are rather than the detailed order-by-order action happening at each price like Jigsaw does. Now, TradingView, its core appeal is the all-in-one workspace. The PineScript programming language lets you build custom indicators and strategies, which is incredibly powerful for systematic traders. Their backtesting tools, while more manual, are built right into the charts. You can test ideas across decades of data for almost any asset. Plus, you can connect directly to many brokers and trade from the chart. But again, this is about breadth and flexibility. It's fantastic for technical analysis and strategy work, but for deep, real-time order flow analysis and futures-specific auction dynamics, that's not its primary focus. When you line up the core features for someone seeking the most reliable day trading software, the depth and specificity of Jigsaw Trading, especially for the futures day trader, creates a significant gap there. It's not just watching the market, it's understanding the mechanics behind every tick. But of course, no day trading algorithm software is perfect, right? You need to know any of the potential downsides. So for Jigsaw Trading, I've seen an occasional complaint about their refund policy. One user mentioned canceling quickly and still having an issue getting a refund, though the company owner, Peter, apparently personally replied to resolve that. In my experience, their support and their customer support is really responsive. For any subscription, it's also just usually smart to read the terms, and this just seems like a rare customer service hiccup or something. It's not necessarily a flaw in this world-class trading tool itself, so it's pretty fine in my opinion. For Bookmap, a downside from some user reviews point to potential data feed setup issues. One user mentioned buying a data package and not getting their credentials right away. The support team replied pretty quickly to solve it though. So this highlights that with any platform using external data, there can be initial setup friction or friction here and there. It happens. It's generally pretty smooth, but it is a reminder to reach out to support if you hit a snag. For TradingView, a more common complaint was about the app stability and the paper trading logouts. So a premium user reported the mobile app sometimes didn't load fully and logged them out of paper trading when switching apps. So yeah, that would be pretty annoying. TradingView is more so a web-based platform at heart, and while it is incredibly powerful, the mobile experience can sometimes feel secondary to the desktop, right? So for a trader who needs more rock-solid, uninterrupted mobile access, it's something to test during a trial. And when it comes to pricing, Jigsaw Trading is positioned as a premium professional tool, right? You're paying for unparalleled order flow technology and education, and for a futures day trader whose profits depend on seeing the market first, the value here is pretty clear for professionals. Bookmap also sits at a professional price point, reflecting its advanced visualization tools. TradingView offers a more tiered model with a powerful free plan and premium upgrades for serious features. For the latest, most accurate pricing and to take advantage of the discounts or trial offers on these automated day trading softwares, check the links in the description below. We'll keep them updated so that you can get the best software for day trading at a fraction of the original cost. So, after all this testing for the best day trading software, where does that leave us? Well, here's my honest take. If your goal is true professional grade edge in fast-moving futures markets, where seeing the real-time order flow and auction dynamics is non-negotiable, then Jigsaw Trading stands tall as the best trading software for day traders. For turning market noise into clear, actionable, and high-probability decisions consistently and quickly, my vote goes to Jigsaw Trading. It provides the most complete and focused system for the serious day trader who's only interested in getting results. But each of them has a lot of features that are definitely useful as well. So to get started and to explore any current offers on these platforms, use the links in the description below.